interesting. In this case, I think something that you uncovered was that potential clients, should call you if they have questions, because a lot of it was as you got into this case, then you realized, wait a minute, there's some liability here by the retailer. So I don't think that the actual parents who came to you and wanted to do the original lawsuit even thought probably about the fact that there was some liability on the company or the retailer that sold that airsoft gun to their nephew.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. This, I honestly, I can't remember if it was at the top of mind for me at the outset. We were just focused on how somewhat, sloppy the supervision was with these. These are not little kids. I mean, these are 14 and 15-year-olds running around like shooting each other throughout the house in the yard. It was kind of crazy. So we were just focused on the obvious claim at hand. Can't remember exactly what triggered me to start delving into questions or the inquiry about, how did the cousin get the airsoft gun in the first place? I honestly don't remember, but ultimately I figured out very quickly that should never have happened. The transaction should never happen. It's a sale that was a crime.
Right.
I listen, I didn't report them to the district attorney or the police. They wouldn't have done probably much of anything anyways, but nonetheless, it was a crime that was committed when that transaction happened. And that was the ammunition, excuse the euphemism there, I guess, that fueled the resolution and got us to where we needed to go.
So as we close out today, I think these two cases make the point that if you have a case or if something has happened and you have questions, that these people can reach out to you. The first consultation is no charge, and it's kind of there for you to hear their story and kind of see if there is actually a case there and kind of weed through some of the things with them to find out exactly where and if they have a case.
Oh, for sure. There's no harm in just calling. A lot of times it doesn't take much to tease out if something's bona fide or just not worthwhile. I'm not suggesting I want to, be the harbinger of every atypical, unusual case that comes across someone's desk. But I can be patient in listening to something, because if you are, sometimes it's like sifting for little pieces of gold. You just got to be patient with it. And if there's something that strikes you, then yes, it might be worth giving a little time to investigate. And of course, with the variety of online resources now, things like this can be uncovered much more quickly. So by all means, yes, people should be comfortable calling, knowing that even if it's just a few moments, I can tell pretty quickly if there's something that's going to be worthwhile or not.
Right. Well, thank you, Bryan.
Thank you as well.
All right.